and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Ninja Foodi Banana Bread that can also be made gluten-free too if that's a need. This is going to be made in 40 minutes right in your Ninja Foodi. The first thing we will do is go over ingredients. You're going to need 1 medium-sized banana, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, along with 1 1/3 cup gluten-free or regular all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then powdered sugar to garnish. So the first thing that we are going to want to do is start with a medium-sized mixing bowl or the bowl of a stand mixer and combine the banana, eggs, vegetable oil, and water in a large mixing bowl. So I'm getting that all in here, and then I'm just going to use the whisk attachment for this. You can also use the dough attachment if you would like, or the paddle, really. You can use any of them for the stand mixer. And I'm going to get that all mixed together, and then once that's mixed together, I'm going to add in the sugar, flour, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon, and mix this all really well until the batter is formed. Now, if you are going to make this gluten-free, you need to use a gluten-free all-purpose flour, and you will want to use one that is a 1-to-1 swap, meaning that you will use the same amount of regular flour as you would the gluten-free flour. So the one I'm using is Better Batter. The other ones that I really like are King Arthur flour, and I think Cup for Cup is also a good one as well. There's plenty, and really you can use any one that you prefer. So just go with any of the gluten-free all-purpose flours that you normally use, and it will be an even swap as far as making this. Super easy to make, and that's the only only swap you will need to make this gluten-free. So I'm getting that all in here and adding my cinnamon. You can also add a little bit of nutmeg if you wanted to, just to add some more some more spice to it. After that's done, I'm just going to start mixing this up until it's nice and smooth. Now you are going to want to use a 6-cup bundt pan to make this banana bread. This is what I use for the Ninja Foodi. They actually have a Ninja Foodi pan that you can use now that is like I think it's called a tube cake pan, but I will link to the ones that I've used. The one that I'm using today is just one I found on Amazon that is a 6-cup bundt pan. So you can grease this and then just pour it in. I will say this one that I've got on Amazon, it scratches super easy. It's a Nordic ware one. So that's my only complaint on that one. So after you've got that all in your pan, you are going to place it on the wire rack or the wire trivet that comes with the Ninja Foodi on the lowest setting, and then place that inside the pot of the Ninja Foodi. We're going to use the bake roast function and bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So that is all you're going to need to do. And you can also do this in the oven too, but you will need to change the settings. So I have that on the full recipe post as well. So you can see that in the link below. So I have got this all in the pot of the Ninja Foodi here, and I'm going to go ahead and use that bake roast setting. And this is how it will come out when it is all done. And then you'll just want to carefully remove it. I'm using the little mitts to remove it here. And now I have carefully cut it and flipped it over, and you can see what that looks like all done. It's perfectly crisp and golden on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. This is one of our favorite breads to have either as a snack or for breakfast. It's just a quick little go-to recipe, and you can do this same method for pumpkin bread as well, which I'll link to at the end of the video. So here is how you make Ninja Foodi Banana Bread all in about 40 minutes. Doesn't take very long to put together at all, and uses all pantry style ingredients along with a banana, and it's so simple to make. I hope you enjoyed making this recipe, and you can find the full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you do not miss the next one. Thanks so much for joining in today.